In this video, we will talk about how to change username in Windows 10. Method 1. Change username via Control Panel. Click in Search, type Control, select Open. Click on User Accounts. Again, click on User Accounts. Click Change your account name. Enter the new username and click on Change Name. This only works for local accounts with administrator privileges. Method 2. Change username via user accounts. Click in Search, type NetPLWiz, select Open. Select your user account. Click Properties. Enter your new username in this field. Afterwards, click Apply and OK. You'll see the new username at login after the next restart. Method 3. Change username online. Open your browser, type Outlook.com and press Enter. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Click on your profile icon and select My Microsoft Account. On the left, click Your Info. Click on Edit Name. Add your first and last name. Fill the CAPTCHA and click Save. This will sync the new name across Windows and other Microsoft services. So that's how you can change username in Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, then leave a like and drop your feedback in the comments. See you in the next video.